Solapur city is growing rapidly. But with growth comes challenges, especially in healthcare. Today, health data is scattered across hospitals, clinics, and laboratories. There is no unified system to track diseases, hospital beds, medicine stocks, or emergency response in real time. Because of this, diseases are detected late. Outbreaks spread faster. Emergency response becomes slower. Citizens struggle to find hospital beds or book appointments. Solapur needs a smarter, connected healthcare. To solve this, we propose a smart public health management system, a unified digital platform that connects hospitals and clinics, Solapur Municipal Corporation officials, and citizens, all in real time. Every hospital and clinic uploads disease cases, bed availability, medicine stock, vaccination data. This information flows into a centralized health data platform. SMC officials can track disease outbreaks ward-wise, monitor live bed availability, coordinate emergency response. Citizens can find nearby hospitals, check bed availability, book appointments, receive vaccine alerts, all in one place. The platform includes 3 powerful dashboards. SMC officials dashboard shows outbreak alerts, ward-wise disease zones, bed status, and emergency response coordination tools. Hospital dashboard allows hospitals to upload real-time data, manage appointments, and update bed and medicine availability. Citizen dashboard enables citizens to access healthcare services easily from their mobile or computer. Transparent, efficient, real-time. Citizens can locate nearby hospitals instantly using an interactive map. Live bed availability. Check available ICU, general, and emergency beds before visiting a hospital. Disease zone map. Ward-wise disease zones visible to both citizens and officials. Helps prevent spread and raise awareness. AI symptoms and disease detection. Users enter symptoms. The system displays possible disease risks. Seriousness level from 1 to 10. Color indicators for accessibility. Red high risk. Yellow mild risk. Green no risk. Multilingual and accessible. The dashboard supports multiple languages and uses color-coded accessibility features for inclusivity. Vaccine alert system. Citizens receive notifications for vaccination schedules, booster doses, preventive healthcare programs. AI chatbot. A smart AI chatbot assists users 24/7 with health guidance, appointment booking, navigation help. For this system to work effectively, the Solapur Municipal Corporation must introduce a policy. Real-time health data updates from hospitals and clinics are mandatory. This ensures accurate disease tracking, transparent healthcare reporting, faster emergency response, no missing or delayed data. Public-private collaboration is the key to success. With this smart health system, Solapur will achieve early disease detection, faster outbreak control, real-time infrastructure monitoring, improved citizen access, transparent governance. Healthcare becomes proactive, not reactive. A smarter system, a safer Solapur, a healthier future for everyone. Smart Public Health Management System. Transforming healthcare through technology. The image over here displays how our website will work. Thank you.